A 71-year-old man I know had been dealing with stiff knees, restless nights, and a tingling feeling in his feet for years. He tried pills, he tried creams, he tried just about everything his doctor suggested. Then someone told him to crush 3 cloves of garlic, mix them into a small spoon of clove oil, and take it every morning. He laughed, he thought it was ridiculous. But 2 weeks later, he called me and said something I genuinely did not expect. He said, "I feel like I got 5 years back." Now, I am not telling you this to sell you on anything. I am telling you because when I started looking into why that combination works, what I found in the research honestly surprised me. And it was not just one benefit, it was not 2 or 3. When I started counting, I reached 18 different problems that this simple mix of garlic and clove oil has real evidence behind, and I ranked them. The ones at the bottom are interesting. The ones at the top could genuinely change your life. And number 10, that one made me stop and reread the study 3 times. But before we get into the list, let me show you how to actually make this the right way, because most people get this wrong, and that one mistake destroys the most important part. Here is what you do. Take 2 or 3 cloves of raw garlic, peel them, then crush them. You can use the back of a spoon, a knife, whatever you have, but you have to crush them. And here is the part nobody tells you. After you crush them, you have to wait 10 minutes. Just set them on the counter and leave them alone for 10 full minutes. Why? Because inside that garlic there is a powerful compound that only forms when you break the clove open and give it time to react with the air. If you skip that step, if you eat it right away or throw it in a hot pan, that compound never forms. You get the taste of garlic, but you miss the medicine. After 10 minutes, mix your crushed garlic into 1 small teaspoon of food-grade clove oil, not the concentrated essential oil you find in tiny bottles at the health store. That stuff is too strong. It can actually hurt your stomach and your liver. I am talking about the kind you find near cooking oils, or you can even use a pinch of ground cloves mixed into olive oil as a carrier. Take it in the morning, or put it over a salad, or stir it into warm food. Just do not heat it up too much. Heat kills the good stuff. That is it. Simple, cheap, and now let me show you what it does. Let me start with the stuff you can actually see. The things that show up on your skin, on your toenails, in your mouth, and then we will work our way in to the stuff that is happening quietly where nobody is looking. Number 18. Age spots and tired-looking skin. Now I know this might not sound like a serious health issue, but if you have looked in the mirror and noticed dark patches that were not there 5 years ago, that is not just cosmetic. That is your body showing you that something called oxidative damage has been building up in your cells. Garlic and clove oil are 2 of the strongest natural fighters against that kind of damage. They help protect the cells that keep your skin looking the way it should. Will it erase spots overnight? No. But over time, people notice a difference. Number 17. Skin infections that keep coming back. This one matters more than people think, especially as we get older. Our skin gets thinner, cuts take longer to heal, and bacteria find it easier to get in. Here is what is fascinating about garlic. There was a study that showed garlic can break through something called a bacterial shield. Imagine bacteria building a little wall around themselves so that antibiotics cannot reach them. Garlic breaks through that wall. Clove oil does something different though. It goes straight at the bacteria itself. So you have got garlic opening the door and clove oil walking right in. Number 16. Fungus on your toenails or feet. If you are over 60, there is about a 1 in 5 chance you are dealing with this right now. And you know how stubborn it is. Creams barely work. The fungus hides underneath the nail where nothing can reach it. But the active compound in garlic dissolves in fat. That means it can actually get into places that water-based creams cannot. And the active compound in clove oil has been shown in lab studies to fight fungus even better than some pharmacy medications. One friend of mine soaked his feet in warm water with crushed garlic and a few drops of clove oil every evening. After 3 weeks, he said his nails started growing in clear for the first time in years. Number 15. Toothaches and sore gums. This one has literally hundreds of years of history behind it. Dentists around the world still use the active ingredient from clove oil as a pain reliever during dental procedures. It numbs the area and kills bacteria at the same time. Now, garlic does not numb anything, but what it does is kill the germs that are causing the pain in the first place. So you are calming it down and cleaning it out at the same time. If you have ever had a toothache at 2 in the morning and nothing in the medicine cabinet helped, a crushed garlic clove held against the gum with a tiny drop of clove oil, that is an old trick that actually has science behind it. Now, everything we have talked about so far is stuff you can see, your skin, your feet, your mouth. But here is where things take a turn, because the next group of problems are the ones that happen quietly, inside your body, where you cannot feel them until they have already done real damage. And honestly, some of these surprised me more than anything else on this list. Number 14. Stomach problems and a type of bacteria most people have never heard of. There is a bug that lives in the stomach lining of nearly half the adults in the world. It is the #1 cause of stomach ulcers, and doctors take it very seriously because of what it can lead to over time. Most people carry it and never know. Garlic has been shown to fight this bacteria directly, and clove oil has been used for centuries to calm nausea, cramping, and digestive discomfort. But here is the thing most people get wrong. If you already have acid reflux, taking raw garlic on a completely empty stomach can make it worse. Pair it with a small amount of food. That way you get the benefit without the burn. Number 13. Getting sick too often. A study took 146 people and split them into 2 groups. One group took a garlic supplement every day for 12 weeks. The other group took a sugar pill. By the end of the study, the garlic group got sick 24 times. The sugar pill group? 65 times. That is nearly 3 times more colds. And when the garlic group did get sick, they recovered faster. 65 colds versus 24. That is not even close. Number 12. Heavy metals building up in your body. Now this is one most people have never even thought about. But over a lifetime, tiny amounts of lead, mercury, and other metals accumulate in your tissues. They come from the air, from old pipes, from decades of everyday exposure. A study took workers at a factory who had dangerously high levels of lead in their blood. They gave them garlic every day. After a few weeks, their lead levels dropped by 19%. And here is the part that really got my attention. The garlic worked better than the actual drug they compared it to. Better than the pharmaceutical. From a clove of garlic. Number 11. Trouble sleeping. I know what you are thinking. Garlic for sleep? That sounds strange. But a study published just last year, a proper double-blind trial where nobody knew who was getting the real thing, found that a compound from garlic actually helped people fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. And clove oil has mild calming properties that have been known for a long time. If you are someone who lies awake at night, mind racing, body tired but unable to shut down, this combination might be worth trying for 2 weeks. Not as a sleeping pill, but as something that gently nudges your body toward rest. And now number 10. This is the one I told you about at the beginning, the one I did not expect. Hearing loss and ringing in the ears. I know how that sounds. Garlic for your ears? But listen to this. A study published in 2025 found that compounds from garlic actually protected against hearing decline in animals that were genetically programmed to lose their hearing. The researchers believe it works because the tiny cells inside your ear that detect sound are incredibly vulnerable to damage from something called oxidative stress. And what are garlic and clove oil? 2 of the most powerful natural protectors against exactly that kind of damage. Now this is still early research. I am not going to sit here and tell you this is a cure for hearing loss. It is not. But the fact that researchers are even finding this connection is remarkable. And if you are dealing with that constant ringing, that buzzing that never goes away, improving blood flow to your ears, which garlic does very well, might take the edge off. It is the kind of thing I wish someone had told me 10 years ago. Now, take a breath with me for a second. You know what is crazy? Every single one of those 10 problems comes down to the same 2 things. Your cells getting worn out, little by little, every day, and a slow kind of inflammation that just sits there and chews away at you. That is exactly what this combination goes after. And the next 8 problems? These are the ones that genuinely scare doctors, because these are the ones that take lives. Number 9. Chronic inflammation. This is the engine behind almost every disease on this list. It is behind heart disease, behind diabetes, behind joint pain, behind memory loss. You cannot feel it. There is no symptom that tells you, hey, your inflammation is too high, but inside your body, it is doing damage every single day. Garlic has been shown in real clinical trials to lower 3 of the most important markers doctors use to measure inflammation. You know what is interesting? Clove oil goes after the exact same thing in your body that ibuprofen goes after, the exact same one. Now that does not mean stop taking what your doctor gave you, but it is interesting that nature came up with something that works in a similar way. Number 8. Weak bones. Nobody thinks of garlic when they think about their bones. But a clinical trial found that garlic reduced the kind of damage that leads to bone thinning. And clove oil, it actually quiets down the signals that tell your body to keep breaking bone down. It is like telling your body, hey, slow down, stop tearing things apart so fast. Your bones are not solid like a rock. They are alive. They are constantly being rebuilt and broken down. And after 50, the breaking down starts winning. Anything that tips the balance back in your favor matters. Number 7. joint stiffness and pain. I know what it is like to wake up and feel like your body aged 10 years overnight. Your knees do not want to bend, your fingers are tight, and all the pills do is cover it up for a few hours. A study gave people with knee pain 1 gram of garlic a day, about 1 clove, for 12 weeks. Their pain levels went down, not because it masked the pain, because it went after the inflammation causing it. Now throw in clove oil on top of that, and you are putting out 2 fires at once instead of 1. Nothing fancy about it. It is just how the body works. Number 6. Memory and mental sharpness. This is the one that frightens people more than any other. The idea of losing your mind, forgetting your family, not recognizing your own house. Your brain uses 20% of all the oxygen your body takes in. That makes it the most vulnerable organ to the kind of cell damage that builds up over time. Garlic's protective compounds have been studied for their ability to reduce the risk of memory decline. And what is wild is that clove oil works on the same part of your brain chemistry that some medications for mood and memory are designed to work on. We are not talking about a cure. We are talking about daily protection for the organ you cannot afford to lose. Number 5. Stiff arteries. Your arteries are supposed to be flexible, like a garden hose that bends easily. But as you age, they stiffen, they harden, and that forces your heart to push harder just to move blood through your body. A clinical trial gave people with diabetes an aged garlic preparation for 3 months and measured their artery flexibility before and after. It improved. The arteries became more flexible. And here is something most people do not know. Artery stiffness is actually a better predictor of heart problems than cholesterol in many studies, and almost nobody gets tested for it. Number 4. Poor circulation and blood clot risk. If your feet are always cold, or your legs feel heavy and tingly at night, circulation is probably part of the problem. Garlic has been shown to help blood flow more freely and reduce the stickiness of blood cells that leads to clots, and clove oil has a similar effect. But I need to pause here and say something important. If you are already taking blood-thinning medication like warfarin, you need to talk to your doctor before adding garlic and clove oil regularly, because both of them thin the blood. That is a benefit for most people. But if you are already on medication for that, adding more on top could be too much. Always check first. Alright, the top 3. And I will be honest with you, this is where the research really got my attention. Number 3. Blood sugar. A review that combined 9 different clinical trials, almost 800 patients with type 2 diabetes, found that garlic significantly lowered fasting blood sugar. And here is what caught me off guard. When they compared garlic eaten as real food versus garlic taken as a supplement in a capsule, the real food worked better. That means crushing an actual clove of garlic and eating it is more effective than buying an expensive pill. That was a surprise to me. The real clove of garlic, just crushed and eaten, did better than the capsule version in those studies. Number 2. Cholesterol. A massive review of 39 clinical trials found that garlic lowers total cholesterol and specifically lowers the bad kind. But here is the part that does not get talked about enough. It is not just about lowering your cholesterol number. It is about stopping that cholesterol from becoming dangerous. Because cholesterol only becomes a real threat when it gets damaged by oxidation, and garlic and clove oil are among the strongest natural protectors against that exact process. If you are someone who takes a statin and deals with the muscle aches and tiredness that sometimes come with it, this is worth talking to your doctor about. Not to replace your medication, but to ask if this could work alongside it. And number 1, the one I put at the very top of this list, high blood pressure. A review of studies found that garlic lowered blood pressure readings by as much as 9 to 10 points on the top number and 4 to 8 points on the bottom. The researchers said this kind of drop in blood pressure is the kind that doctors associate with a real reduction in risk over time. Let me say that again. A real measurable reduction in risk. Now, I am not saying throw away your pills, but the fact that something from your kitchen even shows up in the same conversation as what your doctor prescribes, that tells you something. High blood pressure affects more than 2 out of every 3 adults over 65. It is the number 1 driver of stroke and heart disease, and the fact that something this simple makes this much of a measurable difference, that is not a small thing. That is the kind of information that can change the next 10 years of your life. If even one of these 18 problems is something you deal with every day, try this combination for 2 weeks. Just 2 weeks. Your body will tell you what changed. And there is actually another combination I have been looking into. Garlic with something most people would never think to pair it with. The early research on that one is even more interesting.